nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
Good morning, how are you? Yes, can you sit down? Today you are on which day? Monday. Which day? Monday. And the date? What's the date of today? So we are going to study which subject? Which subject are we going to study? Science or sex? Is it clear? Now, especially we are going to look at the unity number 13, which talk about the sensory organs and their functions. Are we together? Yes. Sensory organs and their functions. Can you repeat? Sensory organs and their functions. Sensory organs and their functions. So now listen. When somebody says sensory organs, these are the organs we find on our body. And those organs, they help us to hear, to smell, to see, to taste the food, and to feel touch. Someone who touch on us. Is it clear? Yes. So this is what we call sensory organs. They are organs we find on our body which help us to see, to hear, to smell, to taste, and to feel. Is it clear? Yes. Are we together? Yes. That's what we call sensory organs. Are we together? Yes. Together? Yes. Now, from there, who can tell me what sensory organs? If you understand, they are organs we use to see, to hear, to smell, to taste, and to feel. Which organ you have that help you to see? Which organ that help you to see? Is which organ that help you to see? Yes, Umari? It is? I say, you try to listen well. Which organ? Different from which organ is? When I say which organ, it means that it is one. Is it clear? If I say organs, there are many, more than one. Clear? Now, which organ that helps us, that helps you to see? Yes, Mary? Eye. Can you go to right eye? Quick. Show us. This is how to right eye? Yes. Can you clap for Mary? You may come to sit. Give me back my chalk. Which organ that help us to taste, the food. Now, which organ that helps us to taste the food? It is which one? Yes, Bonnet. Huh? Can you stand up and speak loudly? Speak loudly. Tongue. Who can come and go to write for us? Tongue. Who is going to come and help us to write? Tongue, 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 tongue. Yes or no? Is it how to write the tongue? Yes. Okay, thank you very much, my daughter. Now, the next one, also we said, those sensory organs, they help us, one of them, they help us to feel something which touch on us. Which organ that help us to feel? To feel. Yes, Laren. It is which one? Skin. Who can come now and write for us? Skin. Skin, 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 skin. Skin. Yes, Martin. Clap for Martin. Which organ now that help us to smell? Which organ that help us to smell? Which Akimu? It is which organ? Speak loudly. Nose. Who can come and write for us the word nose? Gaframa. Yes. This is how to write a nose? Yes. Okay, congratulations. Now, which organ that help us? For example, someone is talking. Is it clear? Someone is talking. We can also, someone is playing a radio or a television. Now, which organ that help us to hear that sound? Which organ that help us to hear the sound? It is which organ that help us to hear? It is which organ? Yes, Kavicta? The nose help us to hear the sound. The nose help us. The nose help us. First, nose help us. Nose help us. Now, which organ that help us to hear? Is which organ? Is it? It is it? Ear. Now, who can come and write for us? Ear. Pascaline. Is it right? Yes. Very wonderful. Now from there, how many sensory organs do we have there? How many are there? How many are there? How many are there? How many are there? Yes, perfect. They are? They are? It means that a human body, a person has 5 sensory or a person has how many sensory organs? 5 sensory organs. Is it clear? Yes. Now, a person has 5 sensory organs. Which are, number 1, we said, which one? Eye. Number 2. Number 2, which one? Yes, Tresoro. Nose. Number 3, which one? Yes, Pore? Tongue. Number 4, which one? Which one, Lorenzo? Ear. Number 5, which one, Favor? Skin. These are 5 sensory organs of a person. You have, and me too, I have those 5 sensory organs. Is it clear? Yes. Are we together? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Now, a person has how many ears? A person has how many ears? A person has how many ears? Yes, Shekina. A person has, you repeat, a person has? No, Shekina. Speak loudly. Yes, a person has 2 ears. Who can come in front of us and shows those 2 ears of a person? Those are 2 ears of a person. Who can come and show us those 2 ears of a person? Who can come? Yes, Priera. Come in front and show us those 2 ears. No, you say these are 2 ears. No. Can you repeat? These are 2 ears. Can you clap for Priera?
1, 2, 3.
Now, a person has how many eyes? A person has how many eyes? A person has how many eyes? Yes, Prince?
2 eyes.
A person has?
2 eyes.
Who can come and show us those 2 eyes? Who can come and show us those 2 eyes? Who can come? Yes, Raki, quick. Hey, stop laughing.
These are eyes.
No, these are 2 eyes.
These are 2 eyes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now a person has how many nose? A person has how many nose? A person has how many nose? Gasaro? No, a person first has how many nose? How many? A person has, you repeat one sentence. A person has
Nose.
A person has 1 nose. I want everyone to touch to his or her nose. Everyone touch to his or her nose. You may say, this is my nose. This is my nose. Now, a person has how many tongues? A person has how many tongues? A person has how many tongues? The tongue. No, you repeat the whole sentence. A person has.
A person has 1 tongue.
A person has 1 tongue. Do you know a tongue?
Yes.
Where do we find the tongue? It is where? And what is this? Yes. Now, from there now, we are going to name skin. Now, from there, we are going to name these following pictures of the sensory organ. Number 1. No. This is number 1. Who can tell what are these sensory organs? What are these sensory organs? They are, who can tell us? They are They are. Speak loudly. You go right. Is it right? Is it right? Yes, because there are many, we don't say it is I. We say they are eyes. This one, they are eyes. Now, number 2. You tell me what sensory organ is this? What sensory organ is this? What sensory organ is this? What sensory organ? Go back to your seat. What sensory organ is this? Benny. First is tongue. No, you're right here. Now, what sensory organ is this one you are going to see? Which sensory organ is this? What sensory organ is this? It is which one? It is which one? Boneri. It is skin. Quick. No, it is skin. Now, number 4. What sensory organ is this? What sensory organ is this? What sensory organ is this? Aurora. It is it? Okay, write it. Sit down. Now, what sensory organs are these? What sensory organs are these? One we can see there. What sensory organs are these? Yes, Jean Paul. Yes, you got right. Yes, very good. Now, from there, are we together? In your notebook, Rarene, in your notebook, you are going to do this one. You put the names of the following sensory organs. Yes. Number 4. Hey, stop making noise. The pens do not speak. Quick. You tell us those kinds. Raise up your hand and I mark you. There is another one you did not put. Raise up your hand. There is another one you did not put. These. Who? Where are you? Who? Which? There is another one you did not put.
Teacher, finish the Lorenzo has a pink day. Yes.
Okay, now, pen is down, pen is down. Pen is down, pen is down. Pen is. Okay, there is a short kind of assessment. You see, these are different parts of the sensory organs. You are going to come and you pick one, you show us, you tell us what sensory organ is this one. Is it clear? Are we together? Are we together? For example, you will come, you pick, and then you show us, you tell what sensory organ is this. Is it clear? Okay. Number one. Marite, quick. Go there. You pick one paper, you show us. It is skin. The next one, goat feet. The next one, Lorenzo, quick. Lorenzo.
This one is ear.
It is
Ear.
Yes, good. The next one is Trésor. Pick from there.
So these are eyes.
Yes. The next one. No, but you may sit. Go to sit. Darren, quick.
This one is eye.
Yes. The next one. The next one is yes, Raki, come.
No, this is a noise.
Yeah?
These are noise.
These are. How many are they? These?
These are noise.
Noise. Huh?
Noise.
We say noise. We say nose. And another one. But you may sit. Yes, go. Hey, it's quiet. Speak loudly. Ears, yes. The last one. Tetam. Sit down. It is tongue. Now, this one, you may copy the homework from there. You march, please stop making noise. It's for matching the sense organs with their function. Hey, please, you copy, don't make noise.
Are you right?
Yeah, no problem. So, now for today, we can end this session. You go sit. By the end, no, please, go. Now for today, we can end this session. Can you clap for yourselves? No, I want you to clap for yourselves. Clap for me. Okay, for today, thank you very much. You are very good pupils, friend of me. Thank you. Hey, you want to clap for God? Okay, you may clap for God now. Okay, wonderful now.